Let's face it, Bitcoin can feel shrouded in mystery. You hear all these stories about people getting rich quick, but then there's all this talk about fees and hidden costs. So, if you're curious about jumping in but worried about getting ripped off, this video is for you. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Gemini, a popular cryptocurrency exchange, to uncover exactly how much it costs to buy Bitcoin there. Spoiler alert, it's not always a straightforward answer. Now, before we dissect the fees, let's rewind a sec. Why Gemini? Well, Gemini has a reputation for being a secure and user-friendly platform, which is a big deal, especially for beginners. They also offer other cryptocurrencies besides Bitcoin, so it's a good starting point if you want to explore the crypto world further. Alright, enough chit-chat, let's get down to brass tacks. There are actually two main fees you need to consider when buying Bitcoin on Gemini. The convenience fee. The transaction fee. The convenience fee might sound fancy, but it basically boils down to a markup on the price of Bitcoin. Gemini adds a flat 0.5% on top of the current market price. So, if Bitcoin is trading at $40,000, you'd actually pay $40,200 through Gemini. Now, the transaction fee might seem simpler at first. It's a tiered fee based on the amount of Bitcoin you're buying. For small purchases under $200, there's a flat fee that can range from 99 cents to $2.99. But for anything above $200, you get hit with a 1.49% fee. So, how much does it all add up to? Let's say you're a crypto newbie, dipping your toes in with a $100 investment. The convenience fee bumps that up to $100.50, and then the transaction fee, depending on the day, could land anywhere between 99 cents and $2.99. That brings your total cost to somewhere between $101.49 and $103.49. For bigger purchases, the impact of the transaction fee changes. Let's imagine you're feeling bold and decide to invest $10,000 in Bitcoin. The convenience fee adds $50 to your purchase, bringing it to $10,050. But then the transaction fee kicks in at 1.49%, which translates to a whopping $149. That means your total cost jumps to $10,199. See how it can get tricky? There's definitely a sweet spot when it comes to fees on Gemini. Smaller purchases feel the sting of the flat transaction fee more, while larger investments get hit harder by the percentage-based fee. Before you buy Bitcoin on Gemini, take a moment to crunch the numbers. Factor in the current market price, the convenience fee, and the transaction fee based on how much you're planning to invest. This way, you'll know